Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just it's a killer car. 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Of course, these cars are just hotter than ever. Always have been since the whole time I've been doing this. These are great cars. This is a factory color combination, F4 light green metallic. It's got all new legendary white vinyl interior. Good car, guys. Mopar guys will get this when I say this. If you've been looking for these cars, most of them are rattle traps. They just go down the road and rattle. This thing is nice and tight. I mean, it shifts out good. I mean, our roads are terrible here. It doesn't rattle, it doesn't shimmy, it doesn't shake. It drives awesome. And I don't say that very often about an e-body. They just normally don't drive very well. This is an older body up restoration that's had some newer stuff done to it. But very nice car. I think you said it's got all the original body panels. There's some blemishes in the paint that you can pick at. Matter of fact, I've ordered a paint pen for it so that we can do some touch-ups because it is a factory color combination. You know, you're going to see some little touch-up marks, some little scrapes that you can nitpick on the car, but still very, very nice. Again, same thing there. And I've ordered a touch-up pen. They put new bumpers on it. Like I say, it's had some upgrades. Sport hood. It is a factory 318 car that they've upgraded to a 340. And it's got the pistol grip 4-speed, which is super cool. Again, all brand new legendary white vinyl interior. I said they just upgraded the wheels and tires. Those are 17-inch billets with Nitto ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Good looking car, man. This car just got a great stance, got a great look. And it's a Cuda. Actually, I'm sorry, it's a Barracuda. It is not a Cuda, it is a Barracuda. Great stance. I love the wheels and tires on it. I think they make the car pop. Yeah, new bumpers. Couple little marks there. Car sounds good. Again, hits the road great. I can't say enough about the way this thing drives. Like I say, most of the e-bodies that I get in, they just don't drive like this thing does. Power front disc brakes. Again, love the billet wheels. This is a 69 date coated 340 in it. Edelbrock 750 4-barrel Mopar aluminum intake. So they upgraded the cam just a little bit. Does have headers on it. Mopar Performance air cleaner and valve covers. You can see the Mopar radiator with a shroud. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have electronic ignition. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Pistol grip 4-speed manual transmission. There's your fender tag. Pretty car. Again, I wish we had some sunshine. We're just we're one of those lovely Michigan stretches where we just can't get the sun. It's either raining and cloudy, or that's it. That's all we got right now. Sport hood. Plenty of shine to this paint. Paint pops. It's got the black 340 hockey stripe. You can see how clean the door skins are there. Love the white interior. Big fan of that in the summertime. It's about 10 degrees cooler in these white interior cars. New carpet, again, all new legendary interior. Hurst pistol grip shifter. New sill plates. You can see how clean the lines are in this car. Really nice. Headliner looks great. Factory steering wheel looks real good. No cracks in it. Showing 13,000, and that is supposed to be the miles on the resto. So it's a proven car. Aftermarket Pioneer radio. The little reverse light works on the dash. Again, Hurst pistol grip shifter. Parking brake works. It's got dual exhaust. 8 3/4, 323 sure grip rear axle. It's got the old rally spare with a bias ply tire. It's also got the factory jack in there. They have put a little spackle on the trunk, but you can see that's the original paint still in there. Just put a little coating over it. Clean. Everything opens and closes real nice. Good car. Real good car. Again, these have all repatted, refoamed, did a nice job on those. I guess that's newer. That was just done. Car just runs great, man. Little moans in cam, nothing crazy. Like I say, said they just upgraded the cam just a little bit. Love the sport hood on it. This is a remote driver's mirror. Got an aftermarket oil pressure gauge in it. It works. I know the radio works. Like I say, parking brake works. Everything opens and closes nice. I know the reverse lights work back here. Yeah. Good sound. That's just a good car right there. It's just a plug. Yeah, a little light in the dash works. Radio works, blower motor works, wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great stance. That's a fun car right there. Somebody's going to have a blast with it.